Ready to dive headfirst into the world of BTS and connect with ARMY like never before. First, you'll need the Weverse app. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and search for Weverse. That's Weverse. Tap the install button and let it download. Once it's downloaded, tap the Weverse app icon to open it. You will be prompted to select your preferred language. Choose the one you're most comfortable with to navigate the app easily. Now, tap on the sign up button. You'll need to create an account using your email address and a secure password. Make sure it is a valid email as you will need to verify it. After entering your email and password, you'll receive a verification email. Go to your inbox, find the email from Weverse, and click the verification link. This confirms your email address. Back in the app, you can now create your profile. Choose a nickname. Remember, this is how you'll be known in the Weverse community. You can also upload a profile picture if you like. Time to find BTS. Look for the search icon, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap on it. Type BTS or Bangtan Sonyeondan into the search bar. The official BTS Weverse community should appear at the top of the results. Look for the verified badge to ensure it's the official one. Tap on the BTS community, and then tap the join button. Congratulations! You're now following BTS on Weverse. Get ready for exclusive content, updates, and a whole lot of ARMY love. Have fun!